First, locate the shoulder and the waist strap on the side of the wagon. The straps have a buckle on the end that you can feel through the fabric. Rotate the buckle so it lines up with the slot in the seat back. Pinch the fabric in the area to rotate the buckle and pull the strap through. Do this to both shoulder straps. Next, locate the waist straps and repeat the pinch and pull method until the straps can be pulled through. Next, turn the wagon on its side and locate the bottom buckle. Once the seatbelts are completely removed from the wagon, flip it back over to its original position. Before inserting the new straps, buckle them into the correct configuration. The shoulder straps have a specific left and right side, and they will not snap properly if they are assembled on the wrong side. We'll start with the left shoulder strap. Feed the strap through the loops and line up the end of the strap with the hole in the fabric. Start by feeding the shoulder straps through the loops. Then push the buckle through the fabric and the plastic seat back. The buckle must go through the plastic seat back. You can feel the fabric on the other side to determine whether it made it through. Ensure the buckle on the end of the strap is rotated. Then pull the strap to confirm it's properly secured. Next, we'll insert the waist straps. Line up the buckle with the hole in the fabric and push the strap through. Similar to the shoulder straps, make sure the buckle goes through the fabric and the plastic seat. Once pushed through, ensure the buckle on the end of the strap is rotated, and pull on the strap. Repeat this step for all waist straps. Now, turn the wagon back onto its side. Feed the final strap through the fabric hole and the padded seat. Ensure the buckle on the end of the strap is rotated and pull on the strap. Finally, flip the wagon back in the upright position and you're ready to roll. For any additional questions, please contact customer service.